Meet the flamingo, one of the most iconic birds in the world. With their long legs, curved necks, and bright pink feathers, flamingos are easy to recognize. But did you know? Flamingos aren't born pink. They get their color from the food they eat, like shrimp and algae, which are rich in carotenoids. These social birds often live in large colonies, sometimes with thousands of others. And when they sleep, they often stand on just one leg. Scientists still aren't sure why, but it might help them conserve body heat. Flamingos are not just beautiful. They're one of nature's most fascinating creatures.